Hi, and welcome to Slimming Recipes with Mike and Shaz. And today we're going to be making a Keema Matar Pie. Tomato puree, some carrots, some mincemeat, onions, frozen peas, ginger, chili powder, cumin, garlic, turmeric, some beef stock, 900 grams of potatoes. So get your carrots and grate them. That's going to be added to the mincemeat. Fry light your pan, add your onions, add some garlic, ginger, add your carrot, a little bit of water. And I like to get a glass with a bit of water and mix in the spices, mix the turmeric, the cumin, get all the stuff all over the sides. That's the coriander. Try and use fresh coriander, that's always nice to sprinkle in. Rot all that down. And then add the meat. Break it down. Quite a high heat at the minute. Add your little concoction. Looks like mustard. It's probably what mustard's made out of, I don't know. Get a little bit of water, swill it around the glass. Use it all. Give it a good mix. It smells gorgeous. And that's nearly done. Add 200 grams of tomatoes and about a tablespoon of tomato puree. That's the beef stock going in there. That's 300 ml. There's the puree. Your potatoes, chop them up into scallops or fritters or whatever you want to call them. About 3 to 5 mil thick. Boil them for about 5 or 7 minutes. That will make them nice and soft. I'm going to make some Bombay potatoes for the top, hence the pie. Before it goes in the oven, add your frozen peas. Your dish has been in the oven warming up for about 5 or 10 minutes. When the potatoes are done, drain them, then add some chili powder. A teaspoon is enough, unless you want it hotter. Some cumin, turmeric, and garlic. Obviously everything's to your own taste. Give it a good mix. Don't worry if these potatoes break up a bit. It will happen. Get your hot dish, tip in your mincemeat. Oh, the smell is beautiful. Add the potatoes to the top. This dish is so easy to make, and it's filling. You can have it with rice. You can have it with chips. You know, the new potatoes done as chips. You can have it with anything. Once all that's nice and neatly prepared, give it a little spray with fry light. And that bad boy can go straight in the oven, 200 degrees or 180 in a fan, half an hour, 40 minutes, and look at that. It's gorgeous. Thank you very much indeed for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, and just keep watching, and any comments you've got, stick them below. Thank you very much.